Okay, so I just wanted to show you what I did after that round. The last video I put. I'm putting 2 stretched out ovals because I like the shape of this one right here. I still like the shape, maybe a little bit more than that. So I put 2 ovals there. The only problem is that they don't reach. There's another angle that I'm not hitting. So I'm going to duplicate this, come over here, and I'm going to turn it until it intersects over here. So I'm pushing the directional buttons, trying to get some overlap here. So let's see how this works out. There. I like it. Okay, so let's go put that over on the sticks. A little bit there that I wish I had gotten rid of, that I've honed it down, but that, no big deal. Okay, so we're going to take this, copy it, and bring it over here to the big guy. Here's where the rubber hits the road. Let's see what we get with our man here. Okay, so get rid of these. This is actually going really slowly, and it's because all that color in these fins is just data that needs to be processed whenever you move stuff around. Okay. Huh. Okay. Let's tilt that back a little. Gotta keep it gangster and get the right tilt. Alright, and these are in nature, the paleontologists always have these offset a little bit. And use the mirror tool here to switch things around. You hope you get a more faithful placement. Okay, let's see if we can dupe these 2 and get them down the row. Oh, here we go. So if we play our cards right, we'll get them basically where we want them. There we go. Alright, till the next episode. See you later.